everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make delicious gluten-free dark chocolate cupcakes. I'm going to dedicate them to the International Women's Day. So happy Women's Day to all women all over the world. And I hope you enjoy the video, guys. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. Hoping you're staying safe. Until next time, go reckoning. So the ingredients for the gluten-free chocolate cupcakes are going to be 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which we're going to melt. And then 75 grams of ground almonds. I have here 12 dates. This is 15 grams of dark chocolate chips, 70% cocoa, and then 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to add a bit of vanilla extract as well, and 3 eggs slightly beaten. I'm going to use my big cupcake tin, and I lined it with some cupcake liners, very pretty. The oven is preheating at 180. So we're going to melt the coconut oil first. I'm going to do 15 minutes to start with, and then I'm going to have a look, see if it's ready. So see you in a bit. So they're out of the oven after 15 minutes, and they have risen, and they smell absolutely delicious. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.